Virtual reality will rehabilitate your mind and eventually your body. What is your name?
Who's Joe?
He was a Lawnmower Man until my next-door neighbor did some experiments with him and turned him into a genius.
I am God here!
Welcome to my world, Peter.
I found the secret to immortality in the Chiron chip.
The future
Is now.
Get him out of there.
He's getting out of control! I've never seen Job like that before.
You've got to stop Joe before it's too late.
And in 3 days, I'll be in every system in the world.
Give me access to all credit accounts.
This card is no longer valid.
ATM machines. Department of Water and Power.
If he can destroy our world, he figures we'll have to turn to him as the new messiah in cyberspace.
Jack into the new world order.
Follow Joe.
The material world will fade away, and only cyberspace will remain.
He came to save you, Joe.
In here, I am the savior.